Welcome to English Reading Comprehension. Our theme today is snack food. What is snack food? Snack food is the thing we eat between our meals. There are popcorn, potato chips, chocolate, and biscuits. So, tell me, what's your favorite snack food? Please draw your favorite snack food on a paper. I want to see that. Okay, now story time. We read a story and then we answer some challenging questions. Let's read a story about little Kelvin. Kelvin is a boy who loves eating snack food very much. He is only 6 years old, but he is heavier than his sister. He does not exercise and is obese. Before school, he has a pack of potato chips. After school, he has more chocolate. His mother worries about his health, so they go to the doctors. The doctor is famous and he has contacted a lot of overweight children. At the end of the day, they all go back to their normal weight. Calvin's mother is so excited because she wants his kid to be healthy. It's suggested by the doctor that Calvin should adopt a healthy lifestyle. He needs to eat more vegetables and exercise regularly. Due to hard work and encouragement from family, Calvin is now a healthy boy with normal size. Congratulations, Calvin! You are amazing! Vocabulary time. Heavy. Heavy. Since an elephant is small, it's heavier than a dog. Now, it's your turn to make a sentence with heavy. Exercise. Exercise. My sister is so healthy. She does exercise every day. Now, it's your turn. Mr. Chen is obese. He feels tired very easily. Your turn. Pack. Pack. Please buy me a pack of potato chips. I'm so hungry. Any idea with pack? Potato chips. Potato chips. Potato chips are snack food. Don't eat too much. Any idea with potato chips? Chocolate. Chocolate. Chocolate is so delicious. I want more. Now, it's your turn. Worries. Worries. Why did you cry yesterday? I worry about you. So, what do you worry about? Famous. Famous. He's a famous movie star. Lots of people like him. Do you know any famous thing? Contact. Contact. Why isn't Mary here? Please contact her. Any idea? Overweight. Overweight. Don't eat too much meat. Otherwise, you'll be overweight. So, any idea with overweight? Excited. Excited. I'm excited because I'm going to theme park today. Hooray! Your turn. Your turn. Healthy. Healthy. She eats a lot of vegetable. What a healthy girl. Anything that is healthy? Adopt. This country adopts a good education system. The children study well. What comes to your mind when you think of adopt? Lifestyle. Doing exercise regularly is a healthy lifestyle. So what is your lifestyle? Encouragement. I've received a lot of encouragement today. I'm so happy. Yeah! What's your encouragement? Normal. Even though it's winter, it's still hard. It's not normal. So what's your normal thing? Congratulations! You have a baby girl now. Amazing. What an amazing surprise. I love this cake. Do you have any amazing thing that you want to share about? Okay. Read again and answer our challenging questions. Challenging questions time. Did Calvin have a healthy life before he saw the doctor? Think about that. Did he? No, he didn't. Why? Because he loved eating snack food very much. Even though he is 6, he's much heavier than his sister. He did not exercise. He is obese. He ate a lot of potato chips and chocolate. He is unhealthy. Why was Calvin obese? Why? Do you remember? He's obese because he loved eating snack food very much. After eating snack food, he did not exercise. The fat of the snack food stored in his body. So that's why he's obese. Who was worried about Calvin? His mother worried about him. So that's why they went to the doctors. Remember? Why was the doctor famous? Why? Any clue? The doctor was famous because he contacted a lot of overweight children. At the end of the day, they all went back to their normal weight. So the doctor was successful. That's why he's famous. What was the suggestion of the doctor? He suggested that Calvin should adopt a healthy lifestyle. He should eat more vegetables and exercise regularly. So, is Calvin healthy now? Do you know? Yes, he is healthy now. He has a normal size. Congratulations, Calvin. Good luck with your life. Good luck with your study. We'll see you soon.